Hi everyone, my name is Dylan with Pinky's Iron Doors, and today we're going to be showing you how to replace a copper crush washer on an iron door. Now it's pretty simple. All we're going to do is take off the iron door, take out the bad washer, and put in a new one. I'm going to show you an example of that right now. So now that your iron door is off, we take off the bad washer and put a new washer on. Now you're going to put your door right on top. So a question we get asked a lot is why we use copper washers instead of ball bearing hinges. Now the reason is because our doors are made out of iron, and iron against stainless steel, they're going to rub together a lot because you're going to open and close the door. Eventually the stainless steel ball bearing will wear down the insert of iron that goes inside the bottom hinge here. And over time, it's going to wear down the actual hinge right here itself, and your door's going to lower, and there's no really fixing that. And to fix that, we'd have to take off this hinge and put a brand new one on. Over time, you can just replace that instead of replacing the entire hinge itself, because two metals, one that's hard and one that's soft. The soft one's gonna wear down, so you'd be left with a ball bearing in there and a bad hinge, which eventually your door's gonna drop down, start rubbing, and it's not gonna be good. And that's why we use copper crush washers.